Karma Guy here. Check out this 2004 Mazda RX, 8 with super low miles and a clean Carfax. Recent service valued at over $1,250, including new brake pads, radiator flush, and more. It's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, plus a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty. Remember, any price reductions will void the CPO status. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Come check out this RX 8 today.